Okay, let's go. So if you what you are saying that the first the next paragraph we are in this next paragraph we start to explain how we celebrated your what the last birthday. So we now say the celebration started with a look at it. Mark the word. The celebration did what? Started. The other word that started means something that what? Passed. The celebration started with a Thanksgiving mass at St. Thomas Aquinas Chaplaincy, Futo.
Daddy, what if the thing is celebrated in the future?
Will. I will after that one we are going to write another one your own now that will talk about future. That's okay. The celebration started with a Thanksgiving mass with a Thanksgiving mass at St. Thomas Aquinas Catholic Chaplaincy, Futo. Are you listening? Now, after that, I want us to watch the tenses we are using here. Say, at the mass, the priest blessed. Do you understand?
Yes.
The priest blessed. That means blessed. This is what has happened in the past, right? The priest blessed me and other celebrants. Do you get it now?
Yes.
I was called. What those things? These are what all past what things. I was called Easter born. That was the second paragraph concluded. Now, when we came back from the church, when we did what?
Came back.
Did we say when we come back?
No.
When we came back, because it is what? Past tense. The past tense of come is what?
Came.
So when we came back, or we say when we returned, it is still the same thing. Are you enjoying it? When we returned or came back from the church, my parents take me. Is it correct?
No.
Because it's past tense. My parents what? Took me out with my siblings and other and what? Friends for shopping at ShopRite. Do you get it now?
Yes.
What I want you to note here is the tenses we are using. They are all what? Past tense. Past tense in reporting it. Now we now say at the ShopRite, we did what?
We bought.
We bought. Did we say we buy?
No.
Good. Bought is past tense of what?
Buy.
Bought is past tense of what?
Buy.
Now, we bought some snacks, cloth, and a pair of shoes. Then that paragraph is gone, right?
Yes.
When we returned, you see it again there. Or when we came back, when we returned from the shopping, the birthday party began. The birthday party began at home. Are you with me?
Yes.
I danced. Past tense.
I danced.
I danced
with my
friends and neighbors who came to celebrate. Look at it. Who came to celebrate? Celebrate is not more celebrated.
Yes.
We are now reporting who came to do it at that point in time. It is not that time it was present. Who came to celebrate with me? The visit, another paragraph has gone. The visitors presented some gift items to me after they have been served. Past tense. After they have been served with what? Fried rice, chicken, and some drink. You now say the birthday party came. Look at it, another past tense again. Came to an end. When the visitors did they sing?
Yes.
When the visitors sang